All right, so to install the presets into your Lightroom, you're going to go to the zip file. Once you download it, you're going to click on that zip file. And in that folder, there are going to be two separate folders. We're going to import the presets one way, and then we're going to do it the second way. So the first way is just you're going to go to Lightroom, you're going to go to presets, you're going to go to the three dots, you're going to go to import presets, then you're going to go to that Lightroom presets pack, and then essentially you're going to import all those presets. Now for me, I'm getting an error because I already have all those presets imported into Lightroom. But for you, since it is the first time that you're doing this, all these presets are going to come into Lightroom. So I'm just going to click OK. And again, like I said, I already have them all in here. So these are all the presets. All right, and the second way to import the presets into Lightroom, I've seen this happens for people that don't really pay for Lightroom. They have the free version. So if that is your case, then what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, Add Photos, and that is the reason why I created this DNGs folder. You're going to go to that folder. You're going to say Review for Import, and then all these DNGs are going to come in here. Now, I'm not going to import all of them, but if this is your case, you are going to import all of them. Now, I'm just going to pick whatever random one. I'm going to say probably this one right here. Click Add Photo. And then once you're in there, you're going to go to Presets. And then you're going to go to this plus button. And then essentially, you're going to give it a name. So whatever name you want to call it, I'm just going to call this Beach. And then all the colors and everything that I used to create this preset are going to get saved to your presets folder. So I'm just going to click Save. And then if I go here, then this is the preset that I just created. All right. This is basically all I want to show you guys. Two ways to import presets. One, just by importing the .xmp files into Lightroom. And the second way was just to import in DNG photo and then creating a preset off of that photo. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.